It is awesome to be back on fresh water, even though it's somewhat still frozen. Extra fuel, of course, camping gear for the day, and hey everyone, welcome to Chase Your Wave Adventures. My name is Dean, and today we're heading out on the SeaDoo Explorer Pro to do a day camp. Let's go! All right, so I have everything on here, all using the link system. Extra fuel, of course, always. Also have some extra gear here, but also camping gear for the day and some food and a stove all in here. All right, we're ready to go. I think this is just as good as any place to set up a day camp. About to have some lunch here at the edge of the ice. Lakeside curry. We'll see how it goes. Any lunch on the water, can't beat it. The adventure for today is not over just yet. time you get back on fresh water on the lake after a long winter to make sure that you watch what's on the lake. There could be things like floating debris, but also a couple buoys here and there as well. So let's try to grab this buoy and see where it came from and maybe return it to the rightful owner. Wow, looks like the ice took the buoy and the mooring rock as well. That's awesome, look at that. All right, mission accomplished. After all winter on salt water and crazy cool adventures on the Atlantic Ocean, I mean, it's been epic, but it is awesome to be back on fresh water, even though it's somewhat still frozen. If you love the SeaDoo life and outdoor water adventures, my name is Dean, and this is Chase Your Wave Adventures. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next wave.